We're actually into the cleaning of the tile. Got our spinner on. It's connected over here to this machine. Putting out about 1800 psi. It's got a vacuum hose on it, as you can see, going back and sucking up all the dirty water. We're running over 2 sets of tiles at the same time, and I'll come back and go over this tile one more time just to give that grout an extra shot, extra cleaning. No particular pattern that you got to use. I got that tile. I go up to the next set. Come back and run over this set again. So in actuality, you get 3 passes on each one. But you could probably get away with just doing 2 passes. I like to do the 3 just for the extra. So that's the process. This is what it looks like afterwards. So how we clean our tile and grout. Alright, we'll finish up with a coat of 304 sealer to get down in the grout. Seal it all up. And then we'll try to get back in here probably in another year and refinish it again. So that's how we do it.